Okay, hello, good afternoon, everyone. So, with this video, I want to review from our last exercise on statistic part 2. So, let's start from number 1. Here, there is a data from the quiz, and then how many students who get under the 75 score. So we can see from here the 75 is here. So we have 13 students under 75. I think all of you can do this one. And then we can continue to number 2. So in this number 2, we have to determine the interval. What is the interval? Interval is range from the data in that frequency. So we can say like this one as class. This is the first class, second class, third class, fourth class, and fifth class. Yeah. And then this interval we can see from the data from 1 until 1.4. So we can say that 1.4 minus 1, so zero point 0.4. Actually, all the class, they have the same interval, so you can go to every class over there. So this is the point as well to make a distributive frequency table after this. Yeah, so the answer is this one. So we can continue to number 3. Okay, so number 3, we have data like this. So we have to make the frequency data because we want to find the frequency for the fourth data. So we can make order first because this data is not arranged yet. So I can mention one by one here. So 40, I will put it here 40, and then 41, and then 42, and then 43. We have, yes, and then 74, sorry, 74, 1, okay. I will put it down so you can see we have 2 here, and then we have 75, okay. You can do it in your paper as well. We have 76, and then we have 77, 2 times, and then we have 78. Okay, I have 2 times as well. And then we have 79. Okay, and then we have, oh, we have 80, and then we have 81, 1, 2, 3, so 3 times. I will write it here. And then I have 83. Okay, and then I have 84, 3 times. And then I have 87. Okay, and then I have 88. Yep. So after we have a good arrangement here, so we can make a table like the data and then the frequency, because we need the interval is 3, so I can make like from 70 until 72, and then 73 until 75, and then 76 until 78, and then 79 until 81, and then 82 until 85, 84, and then 85 until 87, and then 88 until, oh no, no more. And then the frequency, here we have 3, 73 until 74, so here we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 76 until 78, here we have 5, 79 until 81, okay, here we have 5 also, and then 82 until 84, so here we have 4, and then 85 until 88 we have 3. So if you make the table, it's kind of like this. And then how many frequency for the fourth class? So this one. Okay, so that is how we can make a distributive data. And then continue to number 4. This is, we need to find the mean. We want to find the mean or average. So for me, I will count all the frequency here. So 3 plus 4, 7, plus 7 is 14, plus 6 is 20, and then plus 5 and 3. So 28, I can write it here. And also I can calculate it down. So here is 210, here we have 75 in 300, and then here we have 560, 85 times 5 we can have 510, and then 90 times 5 is 450, 95 times 3 is 285. So we can count it all of them. 300, 510, 285. Okay, 9. Let's try to count it together. Okay, and then here we have 210, 560, 450. Here 7, so 12. Okay, 1, 2. So we can combine it. 1, 2, 2, 0. 5, 11, 3, 2. 2, 3, 1. So the mean, usually the symbol is X bar like that. So 2315 divided by 28. 82.67. So we can round it up, become 82.7. So when, hopefully you're clear enough for this one. Mean, I think on the elementary or maybe on the grade 7, you get already about mean. And then we move to number 5. Okay, here we have a data frequency again. And then they ask me about how many students whose grade are below the average. The thing is based on the data, yeah. So don't look like oh, how much the passing grade in our class? No, just check on the data. So it means we have to find the mean first from this data. So let's we can count it 10, 24, 42, 56, 72, 30. And then the total frequency, 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 6 is 12, and then plus 7 is 19, and then plus 8, 27, plus 3, so 30. And then here we have 10, 24, 42, 56, 72, 30. Try to count it together. 6, 12, 14, 2, 4, 8, 10, 13, 20, 23. Okay, so we can find the mean 2, 3, 4 divided by 30. So that is 7.8. So you can see here who are under 7.8. So this part. How many people you can see from the frequency? 2 plus 4 plus 6. So 12 people. Okay, hopefully you're clear enough with this one. And move to number 6. Yeah. Again, we determine the mean from the chart. So we have to be able to read the chart. So here 5 and 2. So we can like 5 times 2 and the other. So I can put it here 10, 6 and 4. So 24, 7 with 6, so 42, 8 with 5, so 40, and then 9 with 3, so 27. So mean is, we can count it 10, 24, 42, 40, and 27. 6 plus 7, 13, 2, 4, 8, 12, 14. So 143 divided by all the frequency. So we have 2, 4, 5, 6, and 3. So total is 20. So that is 7.15. Okay. Hopefully you're clear enough to see the chart and find the mean. Next, we can go to next number 7. Again, about mean, but there is a data that incomplete, so we will find the data. So the mean is 12. So x bar is like 7 plus 9 plus 12 plus 10 plus 15 plus 8 plus 18 plus 4 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 12 here, and you can count it everything here. You can count it by yourself also. So 109 plus 8. We cannot put it together because this is 8, this is the number, and divided by 10. Then we can move this 10 to here. So 12 times 10 equal to 109 plus 8. So 120 is 109 plus 8. So 8 is 120 minus 109 or 11. So we find the data over there. Okay, we can move to number 8. Still about mean. Following table, mean is 85. So how we can find? We can count it 140, 150. I will put it here. 85y, and then here is uh, 85 times 5 is 425, and then here we have 180y, and then here we have 285. Yeah, just put it over there so you can see the result. So the x bar is 140 plus 150 plus 85y plus 180y plus 425 plus 285 divided by all the frequency. 2 plus 2 plus y plus 5 plus 2y plus 3. So I can write it 12 plus 3y, and that is equal to 85. So we can bring it here, and we can simplify this part. I counted already. 1000 plus 265y equal to 85. Careful with the bracket. When we open the bracket, it will be like this. So become 1020 plus 255y. Here we have 1000 plus 265y. We cannot count it together. So what you can do is move it here and we can move it here. So 265y minus 255y equal to like this. So here we have 10y and here we have 20, and y is 20 divided by 10. Okay, we find the answer. Okay, next we move to number 9. We want to find the median. You still remember from our last class. If you want to find the median, the first thing that you have to do is make it into a good order. So 5, 5, I can write it 5, 5, and then 6, 6, 6, okay, and then 7, and then 8, 1, 2, okay, and then 9, 2, 3, okay. So total we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 12 data. We have 12 data. If you want to find the median, it means we want to divide the data into two parts. So if you divide by 2 becomes 6. So 4, 4, 2, 4, 6. So here. So this is the second quartile or the median. So between 7 and 7, of course the answer is 7. Okay, let's continue. The next question. We already half the way. Okay, number 10, still about median, but they give us the local frequency. What we have to do, so it's already in a correct order from the smallest until the biggest data. That we need to do now is count how many the data, the frequency. So 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5. So that is 35 data. And the median, it means from 35 data divided by 2, 17.5, or between, or data number 18 then. So here we have 9 plus 7 is 16, 16. So until here is 16, until here is 24. So the data is in this class. So the median is 80. That is how to determine the median from the distributive frequency table. Okay, we want to continue it again. Yeah, again about median from frequency table, almost similar. I think you still remember how to do that from the previous question. Total it, frequency. So 46. If you need the median, so just divide it by 2. So number 23. Until here is 13. Until here is 23. So the data is after 23 because this is between 23 and 24, right? So between 70 and 73. So we can count like this. So 74.5. Okay, and then we can move to number 12. So from number 12, they have a data that's not arranged yet, and then we want to find the mode. Yeah, actually we just need to find the highest frequency from the data. Easier for you if you mention to make order first. So like here, if I want to start with 736 first, I have to, so I can write 36, 36, and then how about 37? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and then 38 I have 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, also 4, and then 39 I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so maybe this one, and then 40 we have 1, 2, 3, oh, one more, okay, and then 41 I have 2, okay, so the highest frequency is the mode, so 39. Okay, next we move to number 13. mode and median from the data. So let's make arrangement first. Five, six, 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 and seven, one, two, okay, and then eight, one, two, three, four. I think if you put it down, it will be easier for to see, right? Nine, nine. So this is the mode. So this one, and then the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 divided by 2 is 12. So here, so this one. This is how to find the mode and median on number 13. Okay, two more questions, guys. And then if we're talking about the quartile, same like last meeting, first quartile and third quartile from this data. We have to do, we have to arrange first. Start from the smallest one, 5, 5, 5. Put it down like this. Oh, no, I think better we put like this. And then 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then 7, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then 8, 1, 2. Okay, and then 9, 1, 2. Okay, so we have 6, 9, 12, 13, 13 data. So if you odd number, 13 divided by 2, 6 point something. So this is for Q2 or the median. Then we want to split this area become 2. This of 6 number. So here for the first, so 5 plus 6 divided by 2, 11 divided by 2, 5.5. And then from this part, we need to divide it by 2 as well. So here, the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, similar. Between 8 and 8, so 8 of course. So this is the one. Okay, hopefully you're clear enough. Determine the quartile. We did it on the last meeting as well. Then we move to number 15. Interquartile range. Range from the quartile. So here the data is already in a good order. So we just need to divide it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 data. So divided by 2 is 6. So between 6 and 7. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here for the key 2. And then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 data. So here for the Q1 between 5 and 5, so still 5. In here we have Q3 between 7 and 8, so 7 plus 8 divided by 2, so 7.5. And EQR interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1, so 7.5 minus 5, so 2.5. Okay. Sorry. Yep. And then clear. For the last question, again, in the interquartile from this table, So here we can determine how many data here. 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 6 plus 3, so 36. I counted before, so that is first. If you want to divide it by 2 first, so 18. So between 18 and 19. Find out where is 18. 5 plus 6 is 11 plus 7 is 18. So 18 is here, 19 is here. So here is the Q2. And then let's find the Q1. So Q1 is from here until here. We have 18 data divided by 2. So we have 9. So between 9 and 10. So here, this is 5. So 9 is here and 10 is also here. So this is for Q1, 60. So from this data, we will have like 3 per 4 times 36. Easily to write down like this. So data number 27, where is it? So here is 18 plus 9 is 27. So here is the Q3. So between 18 and 90 divided by 2. So 170 by 2, 85. So the EQR is 185 minus 60. Sorry, without 1, yeah. 85 minus 60, so 25. Okay, I think that's all for the review on the last exercise on the statistic. Hopefully this video is useful for everyone to guide you. If you feel you need to improve it, try to do it the link again. Yeah, the link is also given on the description here. See you, have a nice day, bye.